wadeto.
Gikone to koro gedo mar Mbalariany ma Maasai Mara bade ma Simotwet Emurua Dikirr koro chopo kare. Maeri en kaka timo rapar ne manosenindo jaod bura makono Johana Ngeno koloso gi jofwamb weche. Gavana ma Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu nopuoyo okang' makamano koyango nusekete nge siling milion 750 mar gedo no. Omedo wacho ni somo biro chakore dwe mar 9 mar higani ne lony mopogore opogore.
We held a consultative meeting over the issue of the construction of the Maasai Mara University branch in Emurua Dikirr. We have been having this meeting for the last 2 months, but eventually the University Senate has decided that they are going to open a branch at Olormas, a new ward. They got enough land there, and they have done a lot of feasibility studies, and they have decided that that is the appropriate place to open up the branch. The people of Emurua Dikirr wanted to honor Mheshimiwa Johana Ngeno. So the university will be called Johana Ngeno Maasai Mara College. From next week, we will be doing the groundbreaking, whereby the Ministry of Housing will be constructing hostels and also classes. I'm also happy to announce that we are receiving a 750 million Kenya shilling from the Ministry of Education through Maasai Mara University. The first students will be admitted, if everything goes as planned, by September.
Mimi ni furaha na hii ni baraka kwa uongozi nikiwa chief wa eneo hilo. Siku ya leo inaingia historia na ni university ambayo itaongeza idadi ya vyuo vikuu katika nchi yetu ya Kenya.
Erokamano nyakwara Mogi kuom kete Ramogi TV.